Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on an ORS product, and the one that I have here with me is the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals. This is the butterish CoWash, and it's a cleansing conditioner. It's something that's new from the line, and it's infused with ghee butter as well as coconut, and it also says that it provides restoration and it's for dry frizzy hair. But before we start this video, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll start off by saying that I really like the CoWash. It went on really nicely. The application was easy. I think the ghee that's inside of here just melted into your hair really well. You didn't need to use a lot of product. It lifted the dirt really nicely, and it gave a very good cleanse. When it came to rinsing it out, you really had to rinse it out. Like, it takes a while. You use a lot of water to get all of that product out, but it does give a good clean. Let's see what else is on the packaging about this product here. The first ingredient is water. When I look on here, let's see what nasty ingredients are or aren't in here. It says that it's formulated without petroleum, silicones, mineral oil, artificial colors, as well as parabens. Just a little bit more information. It says that ghee butter is the Ethiopian secret for softer, healthier looking hair when combined with nourishing olive oil and hydrating coconut oil. It provides the ultimate in hair nutrition. So that's what the ghee in here does. And it says that it says that this product gently cleanses and aids in detangling while preserving precious moisture. And it says use as a daily gentle cleanser or as a deep conditioner for extra hydration. So this has a dual purpose, a cleanser or a deep conditioner. As a cleanser, it did really well. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna try this out as a deep conditioner, and I'll do a really nice review on this product for you guys, and I'll give you the rating as a cleanser, and I'll give you a rating on this as a deep conditioner. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on me using this ORS cleanser. As I said earlier, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment down below. It means a lot to me as well as my channel. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial once again, and I'll definitely see you again in another video. Take care.